These 11 baking soda tips are essential knowledge for every woman. When it comes to their appearance, many women focus especially on the products they use on their skin, hair, and body. Unfortunately, many commercial products contain chemicals that are actually more harmful than beneficial, but there are always more natural ways to maintain your health. Take baking soda, for instance. Most of you probably have a box of baking soda in your home, and its main uses are to raise baked goods to a higher temperature. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. These are the top health benefits of baking soda that every woman should be aware of. It can also be used as a cleaning agent to scrub pretty much anything and remove acid-induced odors. Number 1. Treat kidney disease. Dr. Julian Whitaker says that the body produces bicarbonate, an alkaline substance that buffers acids and helps maintain our pH levels. Whitaker also says that individuals with kidney disease have difficulty eliminating acid from their bodies, but a recent study by British researchers demonstrates that sodium bicarbonate actually slowed the rate of kidney decline by 2/3. Number 2. Cure occasional heartburn and indigestion. Whitaker claims that if over-the-counter medications like Alka-Seltzer, Tums and Rolaids are effective in treating heartburn and indigestion, then consuming natural baking soda would be even more effective. He recommends mixing a half teaspoon of baking soda with half a cup of water and consuming it an hour after a meal. Number 3. Oral hygiene. According to Whitaker, using baking soda alone to brush your teeth might not be the best option because of its abrasive properties, which could eventually erode the protective enamel. Instead, he advises sticking with commercial toothpaste solutions that include baking soda. Number 4. Mouthwash. I've already discussed the benefits of using baking soda on a toothbrush, but I haven't talked about the mouthwashing benefits. According to Healthline, when you brush your teeth, baking soda can get into the nooks and crannies of your teeth, tongue, and gums. Mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of warm water is the simplest way to use it as mouthwash. Number 5. Smooth canker sores. In 1973, Sunnybrook Hospital established a mouth clinic. The majority of patients who visited the clinic had chronic ulcerations, which could be difficult to diagnose and treat at times. However, 7 out of 10 patients' conditions were improved by a particular therapy that included baking soda, according to Healthline. Number 6. Whitens teeth. According to Medical Science Monitor, baking soda's mild abrasive qualities enable it to break the bonds of molecules that discolor teeth. It also has antimicrobial and antibacterial qualities that can aid in the fight against dangerous bacteria. These combined factors explain why baking soda is so effective at whitening teeth. Number 7. Deodorant. According to John Henderson Lamb of the University of Oklahoma School of Medicine, baking soda works as a natural deodorant by neutralizing the acidity of perspiration odors. Number 8. Could improve exercise performance. Exercise causes your muscles to produce lactic acid, which lowers the pH in your cells and may be the cause of your muscles fatigue. A study published in Biomed Central found that those who took sodium bicarbonate before working out had higher peak blood lactic levels and reduced their rate of perceived exertion. Simply put, they were able to work out for longer periods of time than they usually could. Number 9. Treats itchy skin and sunburns. According to WebMed, baking soda has qualities that can lessen sunburn, stinging feeling and redness brought on by itching. Many over-the-counter products contain baking soda, but you may also use it to make your own paste or add it to the water in your bath. Number 10. Whitens your laundry. According to studies conducted at the University of Nebraska, baking soda interacts with the acids in stains to help remove them since it is alkaline when dissolved in water. Number 11. Removes carpet stains. The bottom line is that baking soda is a multi-purpose product with many uses outside of cooking. An article published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine claims that combining baking soda and vinegar produces a compound called carbon acid, which is commonly used in cleaning products together. This ingredient causes a fizzing sensation that seeps into the carpet and removes the stains. However, before you try to employ it for health benefits, please consult a medical professional before applying baking soda to any part of your body, since it can irritate the skin and eyes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more similar content.